This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain if you can change the battery in an Apple Watch. Officially, Apple does not offer a user-replaceable battery service for its watches. They are designed for professional handling. This means a do-it-yourself replacement is highly challenging, often leading to potential device damage. We will explore both manufacturer and third-party options, helping you make the best decision for your device's longevity. If your Apple Watch battery health significantly declines, typically below 80% of its original capacity, the manufacturer offers a professional battery service. This process usually involves replacing the entire watch unit or the faulty component, ensuring all seals and functions remain intact. Pricing varies by model and region, but it guarantees the device's original water resistance, often up to 164 feet, and preserves any existing warranty. This provides complete peace of mind. Attempting a do-it-yourself battery replacement on an Apple Watch is extremely difficult and comes with substantial risks. The device uses tiny, delicate components and strong adhesive, requiring specialized tools for safe disassembly. You risk damaging the screen, flex cables, or compromising the crucial water-resistant seal, which is designed to withstand pressures up to 5 atmospheres. The internal battery itself is a small, 3.8-volt lithium-ion cell, integrated precisely. When deciding on an Apple Watch battery replacement, weigh the convenience and cost savings of professional service against the significant risks of a do-it-yourself attempt. Prioritizing your device's integrity and long-term functionality is key. For most users, especially given the watch's intricate design and water resistance requirements, engaging with an authorized service provider remains the safest and most reliable choice. Your watch's continued performance depends on it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.